first one is the charter. And whereas the said Victoria University has applied to the National Council for Higher Education for grant of a charter in the manner prescribed under the Universities and Other Tertiary Institutions Act 2001 as amended, and whereas the National Council for Higher Education has visited and inspected the said institution and is satisfied that the objects of Victoria University are consistent with the advancement of university education in the Republic of Uganda, and whereas the National Council for Higher Education is also satisfied that Victoria University has complied with the provisions of the Act, and whereas the National Council for Higher Education has submitted a charter, the text whereof is annexed hereto to the Minister of Education and Sports on the said institution, and the Minister is satisfied that Victoria University be granted a charter, and whereas the Minister has submitted the charter to me with recommendations thereof, that in the exercise of the powers conferred upon me by the Constitution and by Section 102, subsection 2 of the Universities and Other Tertiary Institutions Act 2001 as amended, I, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, hereby grant the charter annexed hereto to Victoria University. Chancellor, we are presenting this charter to Victoria University, and we'd like to wish you a very, very best.
Tuvudde mu university eziba zitalina bisaanyizo byonna ebyetaagibwa, ne tudda mu kategori endala gye tugamba nti ejjuzza oba ewezezza ebisaanyizo byonna ebyetaagibwa okuva eri gavumenti. Era omukulembeze w'eggwanga n'asalawo nti oluvannyuma lw'okuweza ebisaanyizo byonna ebyetaagibwa, kati tubawadde charter muli university ekuze mu bye tukola buli lunaku, nga n'olwekyo nebye tukola eri buli lunaku eri bannayuganda oba East African oba abantu bonna mu Africa oba ne mu nsi yonna tuli ku mutendera ogwo oba kiwandiise ku level eyo. So kyekyo charter kyekuwa nti byokola era bigwanidde okubanga mu butuufu twandigambye nti owezezza ebisaanyizo byonna bye weetaaga.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.